In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make your text bigger on Snapchat in just a few seconds. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and exit out of Snapchat. And what you're going to want to do is actually just swipe down from the top right to open up your control settings. Go ahead and hold down at the very bottom where there's all this empty space and hit this little add a control section down at the very bottom. And you're going to see something for text size on here. If you don't see that, go ahead and search for it. Select this. Go ahead and tap out of this and close out of the control center and then open up Snapchat. And once you have Snapchat open, go ahead and swipe down from that control center again, find that setting that you just added and hold down on it. From here, go ahead and select Snapchat only, and you can adjust the text size just by making it a little bit bigger. Let's just put it at 310 for the max, just for description purposes. But from here, you can back out of this option, and you're going to see that the Snapchat text size is way different and a lot bigger. When I exit out of the app, everything else is going to remain the exact same. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below. We can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.